Hi everyone, in this video I got an equation for you, so keep watching to find out how to solve this equation. So 16, which is equal to 4 square and all raised to the power of x minus 1 over 4 to the power of x plus 1 equal 15, okay? So this can be written as 4 to the power of x raised to square minus 1 square, okay, over 4 to the power of x plus 1 equal 15. Alright, so 4 to the power of x raised to square minus 1 square, which is in the form of a square minus b square. So this will be equal to a minus b factor a plus b, okay? And so this also can be written as 4 to the power of x minus 1 factor with 4 to the power of x plus 1. Okay, so then 4 to the power of x minus 1 factor with 4 to the power of x plus 1 over 4 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 15, okay? So now we can cancel this factor together, okay? So then we will get 4 to the power of x minus 1 equal 15. Then we will get 4 to the power of x equal 15 plus 1. 4 to the power of x equal to 16. 4 to the power of x equal to 16 can be written as 4 square. So then x equal to 2 is the answer, okay? So now I have solved this equation. I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye. See you in the next video.